Hello and welcome to 12 Cards of Christmas 2019. Today we'll make a fold out panel card. It's a really fast and easy card. Have quite a bit of pieces that you can get all the measurements to in the free printable cutting guide in the link in the description under the video. Let's get started with the large piece, and we're going to score it horizontally on 1.5, 3, 5.5, and 8. And then we are simply going to fold it in an accordion shape. I'm just going to decide which side I want to be the front and which side I'm going to have on the back. So you fold the piece here in an accordion shape. So I'm just going to change the direction of the fold because I want this color, the solid color, to be on the front. So you have 3 panels, as you can see, and then we are simply going to glue the cover pieces to the front of each panel of the card. So the first piece goes on the left part, and then the center piece goes on the third part between the fold lines, and the last piece goes on the right. It's really easy card, but it's so much fun when you open the 3 panels and you discover what's inside. So you can write whatever you want where there is no pattern paper on the solid color. And I have the base here that I'm going to attach to another pattern paper. You can put this folded panel on a ready-made card. I just cut a few pieces and made this card myself. So I'm going to mat this as well, and then apply glue to the back side of my folded panel and attach that to the card, and that's basically it. A fast and pretty card. I really hope you like this video. Join me for the other 12 Cards of Christmas tutorials. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.